Do you know the secrets of cooking all these delicious vegetables? They're all found in Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Theodora of Philippines Cuisine Cookbook Recipes, written by Juanita Gutierrez, and this delightful book with all the yummy recipes can be found at Amazon and all bookstores. Enjoy cooking and happy dining. Discover all the secrets of my beloved mom's cooking delicious food straight from her kitchen in the Philippines. Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Theodora of Philippines Cuisine Cookbook Recipes, written by her adoring daughter Juanita Gutierrez. Enjoy all the secret delicious recipes that made us all her children want for more. Happy cooking and happy dining. Mabuhay tayong lahat.